Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discuss with you, how to use natural Rems CMOS gummies. So, you might be wondering what is natural Rems CMOS here that you may be hearing or seeing online. So first, natural Rem CMOS here is a 16-in-1 gummies and are a dietary supplement made with well-crafted CMOS and a blend of additional ingredients here. Now, according to the official website here, the formula includes ingredients such as ginger, black seed oil, chlorophyll, manuka honey, turmeric, burdock root, black pepper, vitamin D3, and the company markets the gummies primarily for joint comfort, mobility, flexibility, and overall wellness. Now, if you want to learn more about the ingredients itself, go and visit their website and you should be able to see all the ingredients in here. Now, how to exactly use these gummies? Now, the manufacturer or the manufacturer here, according to the website, recommends serving one gummy. Now, as you can see here now, in the how I use the gummy section here, take one gummy per day, preferably with food. Now, the website emphasizes taking it consistently every day so your body can absorb the benefits from the ingredients over time. One jar is marketed as a 30-day supply, but they do have different packages here, so you could go and just get one of those if you want. Now, according to them, the gummies have a green apple flavor as of this moment and are described as a soft and chewy without a strong seaweed taste. Natural Rem says the formula provides 92 essential minerals here through its sea moss ingredients and is designed to support joint function, flexibility, and everyday comfort. Now, the website currently lists a 30-day supply or 30-day jar at around $39.99 as of this moment, but pricing may change depending on where or what country you're viewing this product from. Now, with larger packages available here, including a 90-day supply and 150 supply as well. And it also advertises a 90-day money back guarantee, so they do mention that as well in here in their website, as you can see right now. And yeah, so basically, and they also have like a subscription on their orders here that can be canceled at any time. Now, the company describes a long term routine here, saying users may notice smaller changes within the first few weeks and more noticeable improvements with continued use here. They do have like specific timelines that you can see in here in the website. So if you want to learn more about it, you can go and read more into it. So yeah, so it specifically promotes a 30 to 90-day period of consistent use for its joint support claims. Now, in this case, if you're interested with this product here, and since this is a dietary supplement, the company recommends speaking with your healthcare provider. So if you're taking medication or have a medical condition, and also doing your own research into the ingredients and whether the supplements is appropriate for you is also recommended before using it. And also maybe reading certain reviews inside and outside the website will be something helpful. And especially, again, consulting your doctor if you do or if you already have a consistent pain around your joint area, or if you have an ongoing or an existing medical condition. But that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.